Hi everyone, I hope you're doing fine. Remember to take care of yourself, especially from COVID-19. This is dangerous. Okay, as you can see on the screen, today we have to do writing, but we're not going to do writing actually. Why? Because I need to practice with you the simple past and the past progressive together. So we need to go back to the classroom to start working on this, okay? Maybe for next week. Okay, so we are not going to do page number 21. No, page number 21. Let's go to page number 22. Yes, 22. On this page, we have language through the arts. And what is the topic for this class? The music behind the movies. You know what is the meaning of behind? Behind means detrás. Behind, behind, or maybe behind. Okay, it's the music behind the film or the movies. Okay, let's read and finally answer some questions. Music is a universal language. Yes, it's definitely one of the most beautiful languages around the world is the music. I love music. It is one of the ways we come together and join our cultures. You know what is the meaning of join? Unir, unir las culturas. So people from Japan listen to music from Australia. People from Russia listen to music from China. Think of the music you can hear in your country. Where does it come from? Okay, actually, what is the music that we hear in Ecuador? For example, we got bachata. Okay, people like bachata in Ecuador. But where does bachata come from? Bachata comes from Colombia. I think so. Okay, any other kind of music that we hear in Ecuador? For instance, let's see, salsa. Okay, people like salsa. Where does salsa come from? Salsa comes from Puerto Rico. That's it. And merengue, I think merengue comes from República Dominicana. Or reggaeton, it comes from uh, República Dominicana, yes, and Puerto Rico. I don't know. Yeah, it's like a combination. Actually, today is who's this concert? Today is um, Daddy Yankee's concert. Okay, so look, this is the movie. This is the content of this reading. A film score. Remember what is a score? When you're talking about the film, the score is the music that is in whole the movie from the beginning to the end. And it's not only the music, it's all the sounds, all the voices, the voices, the dubbing movies, the dubbing, and also the noises, boom, boom, boom. So this is the score of a movie. So a film score is the music that specifically is written to accompany a particular movie. It's all the music that is from the beginning to the end in the movie. The music is part, I think it's a very important part of the film's soundtrack, which includes noises and voices. The music is especially designed to go along with the plot of the movie. Please underline the word soundtrack. What is the meaning of soundtrack? All the music in a movie. All the music in a movie. And underline the word go along. Go along is to come together. Acompañar, to go together. And underline the word plot. You know what is the plot of a movie? La trama. All the problem and solution of a movie is the plot. And enhancing. You know what is the meaning of enhancing? Is to make things better. Improve. Mejorar. Mejorar algo. improve, and enhance are synonyms. Okay, one more time. The music is especially designed to go along with the plot of the movie, enhancing, improving the dramatic parts of this movie. Scores can be written by one or more composers and are usually performed by orchestras with live musicians and sung by live vocalists. This is the score of a movie. It's a special movie that is designed for a specific film. Scores include all genres from jazz to blues to country to classical or electronic music. Sometimes soundtracks of movies incorporates a pop song that is recorded independently. It's apart from the movie but is included in the movie. An example of this song is My Heart Will Go On. You know, in Titanic, you can hear this music in the Titanic movie. It's written by James Horner and sung by Canadian singer Celine Dion. It was used in the movie Titanic. Scores go through. You know what is the meaning of go through? Underline the word go through means atravesar, atravesar, pasar. So the scores go through a long editing process before reaching the final version that you hear in the movie theater. When you go to the movies and you hear the music, the sound, the score, and the soundtrack of a movie, you are so excited and applaud. Wow, that's amazing. But what happened with this score? To go to the final version, it happened a long process of editing and making and once again editing and so on. This is a tedious process. It's a hard process that involves not only musicians and directors, musicians, directors, but also sound engineers. Okay, so this is a work hard with the musicians and directors and the singers and the sound engineers. It is such an important part of the movie that there is even a category at the Oscars for the best original score. Actually, we have famous movies with excellent performance, excellent scores. Okay, if you understand this reading, it's time to answer the following question. Okay, what is the difference between a score and the soundtrack? What is a score? Score, what is a score? Let's see. Score is the music that is specifically written to accompany a particular movie, and the soundtrack is all the noises and voices that are in the movie. Okay, this is what you have to write here. Okay, what is a score? So let's see. A score is the music, yes, it's the music that is specifically, okay, specifically designed designed for a particular movie. It's designed for a particular, sorry, for a particular movie. While, mientras que, while a soundtrack or the soundtrack is all the noises, it's all the music, yeah, comma, noises, ruidos, comma, and voices of a movie. It's a big difference between the score and the soundtrack, okay? So this is Actually, very good for me. Okay, describe, this is the second question. Describe the process of putting a score with a movie. Oh my God, I forgot the number one. Oh, no, no, sorry. This is the number one. Okay, this is the number one. There. Okay, I'm going to correct this mistake because I'm going to cut, yeah, I'm going to cut out and paste it above. Okay, no problem, no problem. Everything is all right. Yeah, very good. This is over here. This is the answer of the number one, the difference between the score and soundtrack. Okay, who are the professionals involved in writing and executing a musical score? Who are the people? Who are the professionals? So we said that they are the musicians, remember, musicians, comma, directors, and sound engineers. And sound engineers. Okay, they are professional in music for making the score. Okay, number three, describe the process of putting a score with the movie. How is this process? Is very easy or is very difficult? Actually, it is a tedious process. It's a tedious process that involves many people. Why? Because it's a long process of editing before reaching the final version. So let's write here the answer. What is the answer? Um, Describe the process of putting a score with a movie. This is this is a tedious process. It is a tedious process, okay, of editing, editing, of long editing actually. It is a tedious process of long editing the music before reaching the final version. Okay, I think this is the answer for me, and that is clear. Okay, remember what do we do in class? Everybody in the classroom is reading and analyzing and answering the question because they understand. You understand the reading before reaching the final version. Okay, that's it. Okay, guys, this is going to be our homework number 3. So over here, so you have to write homework number 3. This is our homework 3. And the topic is the music behind the movies. Copy the whole reading. You can paste picture too. Okay, copy the whole reading and then write and answer the question 1, question 2, and question number 3. Okay, if you finish, this is all. Thank you guys. Bye. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.